know what a fisherman says when the sea's this rough? He says the people who live in it are angry.
But not you.
Of course not. I know why it's rough. There is a thunderstorm out there somewhere. People don't live in the sea.
No, they only die in it.
Hey, Pablo! Pablo, Pablo! There's a boat out there! A way out! A big one!
That would be Diego. Just watch him pile her up on the rocks.
Speed, Martinez.
With this cross current, I gotta go in fast.